Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying the hood is dead with a tester, safety first. Once done, remove grease filters and bulbs so you can access mounting screws. Make sure someone supports the hood while you loosen fasteners. This prevents damage and injury. If ductwork is attached, note orientation and take photos. They guide reassembly. With screws partially out and the weight supported, prepare the new hood and measure screw locations so installation lines up cleanly. Next, open the junction box and disconnect the wiring, labeling each conductor so you can match them later. Make sure the breaker remains off while you work. Then release the duct collar or clamp. If it's sealed with foil tape, cut it carefully to preserve the duct. Once wiring and duct are free, remove the last mounting screws while your helper supports the hood. Lower it straight down to avoid bending the chassis. Clean the area and inspect studs or template positions for the new hood. To install, lift the new hood into place and align it to studs or mounting points, secure with the manufacturer's screws. Next, reconnect the duct and seal with foil tape, then wire according to your labeled conductors using proper connectors. Restore power at the breaker only after covers are replaced. Power the unit and test fan speeds and lights. Listen for odd noises and inspect duct joints for leaks. If vibration or poor suction occurs, make sure the hood is level and duct run is.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.